Hello guys, hope you all are doing good. So I welcome you all to my channel. Okay, so guys, today in the problem solving we are going to discuss about the third problem. As you have seen the thumbnail, it is third problem in the playlist of problem solving in the play list of problem solving. And in this we are going to see what is third one. It is third question, magic number. Magic number. Now first we need to understand what exactly the magic number is. So now let's understand what is a magic number. Example. With an example we'll derive the definition. Now here if I'm writing here 1 2 3 4 5, now I need to do the sum of all this. Make a sum of each digit. Sum of each digit, what it will be? It will be like 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. Yes. And this is giving me the resultant 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 plus 4 is 10, 10 plus 5 is a 15, 15 I got. Now again I need to make a sum, means recursively I need to make a sum of this, sum of each digit, sum. Yes. Now when I'm doing this sum, now here 1 plus 5, how much I will be getting? It is 6. 6 I got. So now in this, what is a magic number is this 6 is not equal to 1. So I can say that this is not magic number. Magic number. I guess now you understood one example which is not magic number. Yes. Now let's see the another one which is magic number. Second one. Just add example to 1. The number is equal to 1 2 3 4. Now you need to make a sum of each digit. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. Now what is the sum of this? We have already did up to here, it is 10. So now when it is 10, then again each digit sum again I need to make 1 plus 0. Now in this, how much I am getting? It is again 1. So what I can say here is the resultant is 1. So 1 is equal to 1. So it means what? This is an example of magic number. Magic number. Now I hope you all understood what is the definition. So the definition is very simple. Whenever the digit is given, we need to do recursively. First step is what? We need to do the sum. First step is make a sum of each digit sum. And until and unless if we are getting single digit in a single digit, till in single digit. And third one is if the total sum, if the digit is equal to, if the resultant is not equal to 1, then it is known as what? Not magic number. Magic number. If it is equal to, if it is equal to 1, then it is magic number. I guess you all understood now. Now let's code this in the program PyCharm, and let's see whether it is working or not. Yes. So I guess you all understood what is a magic number. Yes. Now let me open my PyCharm. I have opened my PyCharm, and see here what I have done here is, now I need to take another one new Python file, and in this magic number. Now yes, now I have created one Python file. Yes, it is similar to happy number itself, but in the happy number it was like all about squares. Now let's see what happens here is num is equal to, in this num what I need to do is I need to give a option to the user to enter a number. So in input of, yes, input of enter a number. Yes, after entering a number, what we need to do here, but here it is input always takes what? String. So we need to give what? Type conversion of it. So it is int of input of, and now we need to check how many iterations, how many cycles we need to do the sum, keep on doing sum, 1 2 3 like this. So initially I will be keeping it as condition as 100. Okay, so I need to take one variable iterator, iterations 0 0 iterations, it's a variable, and then while loop, while iterations, and what is this? Iterations is less than 100 initially. Now when it is less than 100, now what I need to do here is I'm taking a sum. I need to make a sum, right? Each digit sum. So for that, what I have taken, I have to take what? Anything like a sum or total. Total is equal to 10. Yeah. Now again I need to give a while. Now what is this while is going to do? This inner while. This inner while is going to separate each and every digit and make them make their sum. So now here it is while this num is greater than 0. Okay. Now what we need to do, we need to separate the numbers. Each and every digit has to be separated. So it means we need to use what? Reminder operator, modulo operator. Separate is equal to num percentile or modulo operator by 10. Yes, each and every number, every digit is getting separated now. After that, total is equal to, I'm just going to make a sum, total plus separate. Fine. Now what I need to do here is I need to make the number, once we have done the separation, now I need to minimize this, right? Otherwise the condition will not be true. So I need to make this condition false also, right? For that, once it is done, we are reducing the digits. So for that, what I can do is num is equal to num floor division by 10. Yes. So now for example, what I mean to say is if it is 1 2 3 4 5, yeah, here I am separating it. Again it will become how much? 1 2 3 4. Again it is also done 1 2 3 like this. It keeps on decreasing. So now once up to here it is done, now what I need to do here is, now whatever the sum it is, whatever the total number, I need to store this total value in num. So how we can do that? Let's see. That is outer. Yes, outside of this inner while. It means what? It should be inside the outer while. So now num is equal to total, and then I need to also give a updating condition for what? For my external while, outer while. So what is that? Iterations is equal to iterations plus 1. I have to keep on updating, right? Yes. And once it is done, now I need to give a condition. If total is equal to 1, then only I can say that print what it is? Magic number. Magic number. If it is not, if it is magic number, then what I need to give? I need to give a break, because this if condition inside, it is inside the this while loop. So again it will be repeating many times. So I don't want that. So that's the reason break. Once the break is done, we also have one option of what? In Python we also have while and else also. So now in this else block is responsible if the condition is not true. In that case it can print what? It is not magic number. Okay, not a magic number. Fine. Now let's execute this and check whether it is working all correct or not. It is asking me to enter a number. Now let's enter a number 1 2 3 4 5. See here, 1 2 3 4 5 is not a magic number. Now let me execute once again. 1 2 3 4. See, 1 2 3 4 is the magic number. Hence, we have achieved our third problem also. Now, let me give one more example for this. Some test cases. Yeah, here it is asking. I need to execute this again. Yes. Now this time 73. Can you tell me 73 is magic number or not? Yes, it is magic number because 7 plus 3 is 10. Yeah, and 10 means 10. Again, it is 1. So guys, it is very simple. It is same like a happy number, but in happy number, what we are doing, we are squaring squares. But here it is no squares. Directly, it is sum. Okay, so I guess you understood this. Yeah. So guys, if you have understood this, then please do like. Yes, if you have not subscribed my channel, please do subscribe and also share. Yes, thank you for watching my channel.